in for like an hour.
For my peeps.
Is it recording now? I have to get it right.
All right, good. Okay.
Okay, Woody's got folding contraption version. What's this about? Version 25.1? If you remember, Woody drove for many years, and his little mind would wander. And he would just come up with different designs. The truck wander too, because that's what he does.
But it works really well.
But this seems to be going very quickly too, and it works good. And it isn't really high tech.
Well,
Just a simple
we
man.
wanted to make a setup that anybody could do at home.
A simple man.
You got hurt
and
in
a
five.
simple machine.
I thought it was simple.
It's a simple design, but it's going really quick. There's no high tech power tools involved or anything else. So it goes well.
It's just a gap.
All bent,
Probably just
tied
a
up.
wiggle
It's a different.
and save it there.
See, that's a 7-inch that they've got there. He did some 5-inch bows earlier. So he's got it all going there. They had those, they had those ready for the kids to round up a little bit and get them ready. And Steve, how long were they in the steamer, Woody?
Some of them have probably been in there 45 minutes, probably.
Okay, so they were in the steamer quite a while. Very simple version. And then the bow is done,
Okay.
tied off, and kids will be rounding them and getting them ready.
I'll have to put some tape on this one.
Yeah, Jim's the tape special.